Hi guys, welcome back to another HoliYAY giveaway. Today's giveaway is a product that I am obsessed with, and it is the Fenty Gloss Balm. If you guys don't know what this is, it's from Fenty Beauty, which is the line that Rihanna created, and this is her super nourishing, filled with good ingredients, butters, oils, lip gloss. It is meant for absolutely everybody of any skin tone or skin type. This is what the gloss looks like. It's a beautiful nude rose gold peachy just goodness shade. It's something I keep in my car with me. I've gone through literally 2 of them, and I never go through lip glosses. I put it on at night because it is really nourishing. You can use it as an overnight like sleeping treatment. I use it when I travel, when I'm driving, when I'm wearing makeup, when I'm not wearing makeup. It's super glossy on the lips, and it is just one of my favorite products, period. 2 lucky winners will be winning a gloss bomb each. And if you guys are new here and you don't know how the giveaways work on my channel, this is how they do, and all the info will be down below in the info box. As well as always, you need to subscribe to me here on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and in each HoliYAY giveaway video I ask a question and you have to give your answer in the comments down below with your Instagram handle, and if you don't have an Instagram, with your email address, just so that I can contact you if you are a winner and get your shipping information. So the questions are usually random and personal, and it's just a cool way for us to communicate and me to get to know you guys a little bit better. So today's question is, if you could have a superpower, what would it be? I feel like I would want to be able to teleport, like to be able to just snap my fingers and like be in a different location, snap my fingers and be around the world at this very moment with like no damage to my body. Back in the day, I used to wish I could read people's minds, and now that I'm older, I don't really want to know what you're thinking. Like I don't it's okay, I'm good. So leave your comments down below. If you could have a superpower, what would it be? I will choose the winners in a couple of days. This is a US only giveaway. I'm sorry for all my international viewers. Hopefully soon I will be able to do those, but for now it is US only. That being said, I'm really excited. I can't wait to see your guys' comments, but for now that's it. Good luck with the giveaway. Thank you guys as always so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.